Welcome back. Police are still not able to nab the two culprits responsible for the deadly attack on NSUI State Chief Sunil Kautankar. After 36 hours of treatment, Sunil was discharged on Sunday afternoon from the Vrindavan Hospital in Mapsa. However, the cops have released a sketch of an assailant. Meanwhile, the NSUI has made it clear that the signature campaign in the drug nexus case will continue.
Sunil Kautankar has been discharged from the hospital on Sunday, but the police officials have failed to nab the culprits in this case. 48 hours have passed and there are no arrests nor any significant development in the investigation. Police have drawn a sketch of one of the assailants involved in the incident. The friends who witnessed the attack on Sunil gave the information to police. The sketch has been drawn based on this information.
Sketch कोण दिला तो?
आणि sketch हांव गेल्लो एडवोकेटी दुसरो अनूप वळवयकर आणि नितीन आनंदाचे.
तुम्ही म्हणटाले ते कितें हें कोन्ना म्हणून अटॅक केलो तेन्ना तुम्ही पळोवंक शकले ना, सो स्केच खंयच्या आदाराचेर
पळयलो बी मातसो तेका तो ग्लान्स एक दिसलो टायमार दिसलो आमकां तो तितलें आमी तशें डिस्क्रिप्शन दिलें.
तशें डिस्क्रिप्शन दिलें.
हय.
सो अजून कांय इन्वेस्टिगेशनाचे फुडें कितें जालें? तुमची एक्शन कितें आसतली फुडें?
तें एक्शन आमी आयज डिसायड करतले कितें तें.
आज तुमची मिटींग जातली.
मिटींग जातली.
Friday night was a terror for Sunil Kautankar and his NSUI colleagues. Sunil was attacked at Asnoda by two youths while he was moving towards Bicholi. They were wearing helmets so couldn't be identified clearly. Colleagues of Sunil say NSUI has started a signature drive against the drug nexus in Goa and the attack could be on its backdrop. A reporter in Mapsa, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Shan.
It's a Prudent Media impact. Few days back, Prudent Media had highlighted the pitiable state of the police guard outside the Sada sub-jail. The police guards had no option than to suffer in rain and scorching heat. After Prudent Media exposed the sorry state of affairs, a shade for the guards has been constructed outside the jail premises.
A shade for the police guards has been constructed outside the Sada sub-jail. Few days back, these guards were left tormented in the rain and scorching heat during the summer. Prudent Media highlighted the sorry state of the police guards guarding the jail for hours uncounted. Only after Prudent Media highlighted the plight of the police guards, Deputy Collector of Vasco Levinson Martins ordered the Assistant Jail Superintendent to construct a shade for the police guards.
फाटल्या कांय दीस पयलीं प्रुडंट मिडियान सडा जेली कडेन भायर रावताल्या गार्डांक पुलीस गार्डांक लागून कांयच हांगसर सेक्युरिटी ना, रावपाक लागून हांगसर शेड ना हें दाखयलेलें. तेजें कॉग्निजन्स घेवन आज डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान वास्कोच्या लेविन्सन मार्टिनान हांगसर ऑर्डर काडली की तांकां पुलिसांक लागून रावपाक लागून हांगा एक शेड बांदची म्हणून. तें आज हांगसर काम सुरू जाल्लें आसा. हें पळयात प्रुडंटाचो इम्पॅक्ट. प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर, वास्कोच्यान.
Two persons are arrested in a forgery case at TV. Mapsa police arrested accused Alvin Fernandez from Kalangut and Nikhil Bhagat from Pene on the charges of issuing a fake NOC. The duo issued a NOC in the name of TV Panchayat with false letterhead and a fake stamp. Both the accused are in the police custody.
Mapsa police have arrested two persons in a forgery case related to Panchayat. Accused Alvin Fernandez and Nikhil Bhagat had allegedly forged a signature of Sarpanch and Panchayat Secretary. They issued a NOC in the name of TV Panchayat with a fake letterhead and a stamp.
एक ऑल्विन फेर्नांडीस ह्या नावाचो मनीस आमचे पंचायतीन एक सर्टिफिकेट घेवन येयलो NOC फॉर फेन्सिंग प्लेन वायर म्हणून. आनीक तेणें आमच्या सेक्रेटरीक सांगलें कितें बाबा रे म्हणलो आपण 8 तारीख एक एप्लिकेशन दिल्लें आनी एक निखिल नांवाच्या मनशान आपणाक हाडून NOC दिल्या तुमच्या पंचायतीची. ही मातशी व्हेरीफाय कर आनी आपणाक मातशें सांग ही तुमची पंचायती जेन्युअन वो फेक काय म्हणून. तशें जेन्ना आमच्या सेक्रेटरीन ही सर्टिफिकेट पळयली तो शॉक जालो आनी तेणें व्हेरिफिकेशन करच्या टायमार केलें आनी सांगलें ताका बाबा रे ही तुजी लेटरहेडूय फेक आहा, स्टॅम्पूय फेक आहा आनी आमी पंचायतीन ज्यो सर्टिफिकेटी यूज करता जावं कोणाकूय दिता हे सगळें आमचें टायपींग जावं तुजें कॉम्प्युटरायज आसता.
TV Panchayat was under administrator's rule from 2nd to 12th of July. Panchayat elected a new Sarpanch on 12th of July. He later took charge of the Panchayat on 13th July. Newly elected Sarpanch told us that no NOC was issued to any person from 8th till 12th of July. PI of MAPSA Rajesh Kumar informed us more about the case.
We have registered a case under section 465, 466, 468 of the IPC, and further investigation is in progress.
Our reporter in TV, Shamsundar Fatte.
Chimbel Gram Sabha witnessed a chaos on Sunday over illegal hutments in Indira Nagar slum area. Some villagers said the Nagar has over 1,500 illegal houses and Panchayat is equally responsible for the slums.
Chimbel Gram Sabha was well attended. Absence of proper school building, garbage disposal, housing projects and power were the issues that came on the fore. Villagers also raised the issue of Indira Nagar slum area. People say garbage and sewage from these slums is affecting the agricultural fields. In the past, locals have made several appeals for saving their fields, but the Panchayat authorities are turning a blind eye to it.
एक ठराव असा घालता की ही जी घाण जी आसा जेका लागून आमच्या संपूर्ण शेता पिड्ड्यार जाल्ली आसा मेरशेची शेता पिड्ड्यार जाल्ली आसा ही घाण आसा ती आमच्या हितूनच्यान त्या कॅनलांसून शेतान सोडपाची ही बंद करची हेका कितके आडाचो पाठिंबो आसा तो तुम्ही आमच्या गांवच्या वतीन आमकां दाखोवन दिवचा.
But some villagers had other views. They said in the past years, farmers were not so much sensitive towards the problem. But some locals came heavily on Panchayat over illegal hutments in the Indira Nagar area. They want a report on the existing illegal hutments in the slum area.
आजपर्यंत या पंचायतचे जे नंबर आसा इंदिरा नगराचे त्यांच्यानी सर्वे दिला काय ना दिला आमचे नदरे कोणाचेच ना दिवंक ना जाल्यार त्यांच्यानी सर्वे करची आणि जर इल्लीगल घरां आसा जाय इतकी 1,500 तातूंत म्हाका दिसता आमचे 25 जे आसा ते इल्लीगल कशें आसतलें कायदेशीर 25 आसा ते इल्लीगल तेंचेरूय जावचो ते तर इल्लीगल आसा तांकां डिसमीस करचें.
Our senior reporter from Chimbel, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.